In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for cryptocurrency analysis fast and easy. Whether you're new to crypto investing or a seasoned trader, understanding market sentiment is key. Google Trends is a powerful tool that gives insight into what people are looking for on the web, and today, we'll leverage it to analyze cryptocurrency trends. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and search for Google Trends. You'll want to select the first link in your search results. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Explore. Clicking on Explore will bring you to the main page where all the magic happens. Now let's focus on using specific cryptocurrency-related keywords. In the search bar at the top of the page, enter terms that are relevant to the crypto market. Common ones include cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto trading, and blockchain. Pressing Enter after typing these keywords will allow you to view trend graphs representing search interest over time. These graphs can give fantastic insights into public interest levels. Next, let's refine the data to make it more relevant to your needs. At the top of the graph, there are options to adjust the location and time range. This means you can specify a particular region or country you're interested in. For time range, you might find it helpful to start by setting it to the past 12 months. 12 months to get a sense of recent trends, or you can expand the time frame to the past 5 years for more long-term patterns. Once you have your graph customized to your likings, it's time to analyze the data. Look for spikes in interest that could correlate with news events, sudden price surges, or other significant developments in the crypto world. A downward trend might suggest declining interest or perhaps bearish market sentiment. Often repeated patterns emerge, indicating regular cycles of interest. Scrolling further down the page, you'll discover related topics and related queries. These sections are incredibly useful for identifying which projects, blockchains, or exchanges are getting traction. Likewise, the related queries can give you a peek into what specific questions people have, like how to buy Bitcoin or crypto price prediction, which can be valuable for understanding market concerns and opportunities. Lastly, comparing multiple cryptocurrencies can yield additional insights. Use the plus compare button to add comparison lines in your trend graph. Try pairing Bitcoin and Ethereum, or perhaps contrast Solana with Cardano, or even explore trends between crypto and NFTs. These comparisons let you see which assets are currently capturing the most public attention. By following these steps, you're well equipped to navigate Google Trends for cryptocurrency analysis. I hope this tutorial helps you gain a better perspective on market trends and assists in making informed decisions in your crypto endeavors.